Why are we here? Because our country is in danger. Our democracy is in danger. Our democratic processes are being destroyed by the Marcos administration. For the first time in a very long time, ever since his father sat in office, no other president except his father has done what he is doing now. The suppression of free press and our right to free expression. Wala ako naalalang presidente, puwera yung tatay niya. Inuulit niya ngayon. And the corruption is terrible. You cannot, why was SMNI's operation suspended? Why was Laban Kasama ng Bayan suspended? Never forget why. It was because we asked this question. How true is it that the office of the speaker has travel expenses of 1.8 billion? A question that every Filipino has every right to ask and deserve an answer. And what did they do? They illegally and arbitrarily detained us, of which we are going to bring them to court because hindi na dapat maulit yan.
We all know naman, madam, na you are the one who is in command.
Lisa, makinig ka.
Alam mo, madam, at ikaw talaga ang naubusan ng pera. Pero madam, may hangganan ang lahat. Kung hindi lang malinis ang puso ko, wala akong concern sa mga anak mo, eh mailalabas din ako. Eh yung mga anak mo ang madadamay. Maharlika, anak is anak eh. Anak pa na yon, hindi siya yung nasa posisyon. Ito niya sa akin yung dynamic sa pamilya. And naawa ako dun sa bata. Bata pa yun. So,
Tungkol pa rin yun sa polboron.
no comment. Pero the thing is, kung masama akong tao, ginawa ko na yon eh. I hope kung may mangyari ngayon, no? Kung may mangyari ngayon sa Pilipinas is wag na kayo pumayag na maligaw sa Hawaii.